Good morning to all students of class 4th A and B. Today's online teaching video number 29. So in the last video I have discussed exercise 5.3 in which I have solved question number 1 to 7. Now in today's video I will discuss question number 8. So in a question number 8, find all the factor of 64. हमें 64 के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. देखिए 64 के फैक्टर्स के लिए बी यूज डिवीजन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट. So 64 will divide 1, 2, 4, now 8, (32) and 64. These are the all factors of 64. To find out the factor of 64, first of all we will divide 64 by 1, then 8 will be divided, divisor becomes 64. Now we will divide with 2 to 64, so 32 times 4 से 16, 8 से 8. So 16 4 जा 32, 64. So we will write all the factors of 64. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So these are the number by which we can divide the 64. So there is no remainder. कोई भी remainder नहीं आएगा. That is called factor. So we will start from beginning first number because 1 is a factor of every number. Now we will divide second because unit digit of 64 is 4, so it is divisible by 4. Now 6 plus 4 equal to 10, so it is not divisible by 3. So we will start the next number 4, so it divides 60 times. After that we will divide 5, 6 and 7. So in a 5 the number should be 0 or 5, but the unit digit is here 4, so it is not divisible by 5. Now 6, for the divisibility of 6 the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. So 64 is not divisible by 3, so we can say 66 is not factor of 64. Now we will 7, so we will read the table. So 6, 7, 9 या 63, there is a one remainder, so 7 is also not a factor of 64. Now we will divide with 8, so 8 is 64. Now 16, 16 4 is 64, 32 and 64. So these are the all the factors of 64. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Now question number 9. Write all the factor of 42. Write all the factors of 42. So here we have to find out the factors of 42. So to find out the factors of 42, first of all we will divide 42 by 1. So it will divide 42 times. 42 1 ja 42. 2 4 1 4 plus 2 6. So it is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 4 ja 12. 42 is not divisible by 4 and 5, but this number is divisible by 3 and 2, so its number will be divisible by 6. Now we will divide with 7. 7 6 ja. Now 42 is not divisible by 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. It is divisible by 14. 14 3 ja 42. 21 2 ja 42. 42 1 ja 42. So the all factor of 42 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 42. So we will write all factors of 42 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 42. These are the factors of 42. So by using the division method or by using the divide the number of 42, we can easily find out the factors of 42. In the same way, the question number 10, 11, 12 and 13 are given. So now we will discuss question number 14, that is a fill in the blanks. So in a part 14 का पार्ट फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में जो फिल करना है 4 into 8 equal to 32. सो 4 and 8 आर टू नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट जो होता है, तो जो जिन नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट किया जाता है और जो रिजल्टेंट होता है, तो प्रोडक्ट के नंबर्स सब उस नंबर के फैक्टर होंगे. सो वी विल फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फैक्टर्स. पार्ट बी 7 into 6 equal to 42. So 7 and 6 are factor of 42. Here also we fill in the blanks factors. In a part C, 5 into 6 equal to 30. So 5 and 6 are factor of 30. 11 into 5 equal to 55. So 11 and 5 are factor of 55. 11 and 5 का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा 55 आएगा. 55 के जो फैक्टर होंगे वो जिस नंबर के 11 और 5 का प्रोडक्ट किया है, तो दोनों का फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 55 के। नाउ होमवर्क टू सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 5.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 to 14 फुली। आपको 7 से 14 तक सारे क्वेश्चन फेयर नोटबुक पर सॉल्व करना है। दैट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।